Welcome to the Sand to Pearls Stock Market Commentary for market week ending Friday, February 14th, 2014. Market breadth. With this past week's market advance, our bull-bear point and figure ratio rose from 0.74 to 1.24, returning back to bullish territory. The total count of securities in bullish or bearish patterns fell 1% to 2,036. The count of bearish stocks decreased 23%, while the count of stocks in bullish patterns increased 28%. The Sand to Pearls P&F Market Breadth Summary Chart shows us a market now one consecutive week in bullish territory. Paid subscribers have access to the Excel data from which the chart is generated. You may become a paid subscriber by visiting s2pmarketsignal.com, clicking on Membership, and clicking Sign Up. For those who are interested, a free 2-week trial subscription is available. The well-known market breadth indicator, the Nasdaq McClellan Summation Index, rose 112 points for the 13th rise in 28 weeks. At a positive 34.69 points, it continues below all 8 tops above plus 100 and above all 6 bottoms below minus 100 in the last 35 months. Market Gauge Volume Analysis. In this week's volume analysis, the Russell 2000 ended in neither accumulation nor distribution mode. In the last 2 weeks, it had 2 accumulation days and 3 distribution days. Of the other indexes, the S&P 500 deposit receipts ended in neither accumulation nor distribution mode, while the Diamonds Trust ended in accumulation mode. Accumulation days are counted when the index closes up on higher volume than the prior market day, while distribution days occur when the index closes down on volume higher than the prior market day. Last week also, the Russell 2000 ended in neither accumulation nor distribution mode. Momentum. Without presenting a zero-line reject short entry signal, the CCI 20 daily rose back above zero and now has 5 days above zero for a likely change of trend early next week. At 107.51 points, it is outside the plus or minus 50 range for a zero-line reject entry point. In Woody's CCI trading system, 6 consecutive bars above or below zero are required for a change of trend. The weekly CCI 20 of the Nasdaq Composite Index began a Woody's uptrend 52 weeks ago, while the daily CCI 20 began a Woody's downtrend 2 weeks ago. The CCI 20 weekly now has formed a zero-line reject entry point with the pivot last week within the plus or minus 50 range. We will follow this trade simulation in next week's commentary. Industry rotation the last 2 weeks. All of the top and bottom 5 industries are positive. Bullish computer hardware has left the bottom 5 and entered the top 5. Semis has entered the top 5. Bearish gold and silver remains in and now leads the top 5. REITs and networkers have left the top 5. REITs has entered the bottom 5. Oil has left the bottom 5. Disk drives has re-entered the bottom 5. Focus this week. In his article exposing what lies beneath the bodies of dead bankers and what lies ahead for us, Doug Hagman presents us with a comprehensive report and the possible meanings of the recent rash of high-level banker, quote, suicides, end quote. Thank you for tuning in for this week's Sand to Pearls Stock Market Commentary. We at Sand to Pearls hope that you are having a pleasant weekend. We wish you happy President's Day tomorrow, a pleasant week coming up, and true success.